time for my next veg head ingredient. Green, leafy, lovely spinach. But first, I'm gonna chop up this ginger and a trip to East Africa. Ethiopia, the world's oldest country and home to coffee and berbere spice. Now, back to my spinach for my cheesy, buttery Ethiopian spinach dip with Injera Crisps. I think Ethiopian food is a little underrated. There's just not enough restaurants where I live. It's such a unique cuisine. Dishes like furfur, shiru, and tibs. And they taste as good as they sound. Melted butter. Let's get all that into the pan. Ground cardamom. It's like menthol meets roses. This is the secret. While this wilts, check out these fun crackers. Injera bread, sour and nutty, whole grain flatbread. Ethiopians use this as a side, a starch, the silverware, and sometimes even the tablecloth. Brush it with butter. Have you ever heard of Ayib? It's an Ethiopian farmer's cheese. Tastes like a cross between cottage cheese and feta. Berbere spice. Spicy, aromatic, and super complex. A great way to kick up the flavor on your next stew, stir fry, or spinach dip. Berbere. No, it doesn't mean it's cold outside. It means super delish in a hot, tangy, peppery sort of way. Certain days of the week, in Ethiopia, it's forbidden to consume meat. I guess that's why they have so many veg heads there. Oh, this green goodness. Put it into a ramekin or an oven-proof dish. A little bit of feta on top. And doesn't that look so pretty? This one's too big. Now, into the oven. Oh, waiting. It's the toughest part. Check out this injera bread. Can't wait to have it. And listen. Can you smell that? All right, I gotta get this on a plate because I can't wait any longer. No utensils needed. That is so good. Okay. At your next potluck, tell them you're bringing a spinach dip and show up with this. Boom!